Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text underwater in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using selection tool like object selection tool, type tool, displacement, and changing of blending mode. So let's get started. So here in our document, I prepared here a perfect image of a top view of this ocean. And the first step we're gonna do here is we're going to extract the boat from the background itself. So the first step we're gonna do here is we're going to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active. Then go to the toolbar and let's find on the object selection tool. It shows this icon. Then after that, to create an easy selection from the options panel, I'm gonna set this one to rectangle and then click and drag to create a rectangle around the boat, then release. Then it automatically create a selection. Then to extract that with that boat selected, press Ctrl plus J to create its own layer. Now going on to the layers panel, let's name that layer as the boat. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to hide this boat layer for now. So let's hide this. Then, this time, we're going to save this image for displacement later on. So to do that, go to the menu bar, go to File, select Save As. Then we're going to save this one as Displace. Okay, all right? Save this one as Displace, hit Save. Okay, so I'm just going to replace what I've already done here. Okay, now once it's already saved, the next step we're going to do here is that we're going to add the text layer. So going on to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active. Then press T for us to access the type tool, right? So the type tool is already selected. Now for the options panel, it's up to you what kind of font style you will be using. So in my case, I'm going to make use of a daily bold text font. Then I'm also going to set this one here in the middle. That for the color, you can choose whatever color you want. But in my case, I want it dark blue. Then hit OK. Now, to add the text, just click it somewhere there. There you go. Now, let's type down our text here. Let's say underwater text. Okay, something like this. All right, then click on the text layer, press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. Now, once the transformation command is out, let's stretching this text out by pressing Ctrl and then click this ones. All right, these points on the side, something like that. All right, then let's rescale it. Okay, release the control and let's scale it something like this. All right, making the text like this. All right, then once you're good with it, put it in the middle, hit enter. Okay, now once done, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to do the displacement for us to blend the waving water texture from this text layer. All right, so to do that, make sure on the layers panel, you're selected on the text water layer, then go to the menu bar, go to filter, then go to distort, then select on displace. Okay, so once I click that, Adobe Photoshop will ask if you're going to convert it to smart object or rasterize the layer. So I'm going to select this one, convert to smart object. Then this window will appear. So I'm going to set the horizontal scale to 20, vertical scale to 20 as well. Then displacement map, stretch to fit, and repeat edge pixels. Once all said and done, don't forget to hit OK. Then once I click OK, this window will appear. All right, so what is this all about? So a while ago, we just saved something. We named that document as Displace. So it's actually here. All right, so just click on that. Let's choose that, then select Open. See what happens next. Okay, once I did that, we already have this kind of wavy texture on this layer. Amazing, isn't it? Then, after this, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to change its blending mode. Okay, so going on to the layers panel, make sure the text layer is selected. Go here, all right, click this arrow down, then set this one to soft light. Okay, so as you have noticed here, it created this kind of effect. Okay, so you will notice here that this layer is too light. So to make it more visible, we're going to create a duplicate layer of this underwater text layer. So with that layer selected, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicated layer. And once I did that, it's now more visible. Okay, but I'm still going to change, I'm going to decrease the opacity to the amount that I want. Okay, all right, so maybe I'm going to set this one to 52. This one is okay. All right, so you also notice here that the boat is affected. So that is the big reason why we extract the boat layer. All right, so let's bring that back. Boom, and there you have it. And that is how to add text underwater in Photoshop.